Pause this video and try to solve the SAT geometry problem and let me know what the answer is in the comments below. All right, are you ready? Let's go. So what we have is in the figure above, BD is parallel to AE. So we have BD, this line is parallel to AE. And what is the length of CE? So we want to find out what the length of CE is. Okay, so the first thing that we want to recognize is the given is BD parallel to AE. Okay, so what does that give us? That gives us these angles that the angle BDC and the angle AEC are going to be congruent. Why? Because these are corresponding angles. So angle BDC is congruent to angle AEC because these are corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding. Okay, very good. So step 2 is to recognize that angle DCB is of course going to be equal to angle ECA because it's the same angle. Okay, same angle. So what does that give us now? Now that gives us these within these two triangles. So we have two triangles, which is DBC and triangle, this bigger triangle ECA. So we are seeing that there are two angles of each triangle that are congruent, so which means that those two triangles are going to be similar. Okay, they are similar triangles. So remember, with similar triangles, the ratio of sides is going to be equal. So let's set up a ratio of sides here. Before we do that, let's use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem to calculate CD. CD is going to be CD squared is CB squared plus DB squared by the Pythagoras theorem. So we have 8 squared is 64 plus 6 squared is 36, that's 100. So if in order to calculate CD, we're going to take the square root of that. So CD is square root of 100, which is equal to 10. So we have CD equal to 10. So let's set up our ratio. Okay, so ratio is going to be, let's go ahead and set up the smaller triangle 6 divided by what we need to find out, which is actually let's just say the ratio 6 divided by 10 of the smaller triangle should equal the larger triangle 18 divided by what we need to find out, CE. Okay, so let's solve for CE. So we will get 10 times 8 across multiply. So 10 times 18 divided by 6, so that is 6 equals 83 times, which is equal to 30. So we have our final answer to be 30. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'll talk to you in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Have a nice day. Bye.